What's going on? Nick here with the American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. I got a 2015 Triumph Speed Triple. Love these bikes. It's a naked style bike. I think the power plant's my favorite part. Inline 3, Triumph's kind of perfected that design. 1050cc. Fuel injected, liquid cooled, 6-speed transmission. Bike's only got 1,500 miles on it, but it's got some damage. So right here you can see the side piece is cracked all the way up. Good thing about it, it's still very sturdy. So it's kind of just cosmetic. It's got a little scuff on the turn signal. It's got a scuff down here on the belly fairing. And it's got a scuff on the bar end. The tank is perfect, the tail fairing's perfect, everything else looks good. It's got the single-sided swing arm, it's got the SC Project slip-on, which sounds awesome. It's a metallic black, so it's got some nice metal flake in it. It's got some upgraded CRG adjustable levers, and those are probably like $200 just for those levers right there. Dual disc brakes, radial mounted Brembos, and the bike's got ABS. I love the styling of these bikes. Twin headlight, it's got the little fly screen. This one's got good rubber on it, front and rear. And it is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. So it's been through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection. We test rode it and made sure everything was working correctly and gave it a professional detail. Like I said, besides those couple of things I pointed out, this side's perfect. Not a mark on it. Chain driven. This is the OEM fender, or the whatever you want to call it. It's hideous. They make tail tidy kits where you can get rid of this entirely and get the plate mounted up under here, and it really cleans up the back end. Bike runs perfect. Again, 1,500 miles on a 2015. Tell you what, that thing sounds wicked. If you'd like to know more about this Speed Triple, pick up the phone and call us at 888-400-1151. You can also check out our website at cleanharleys.com. I've got a full set of detailed pictures on this bike. You can also see the rest of our inventory. We do offer finance and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. The freedom to choose.